All right, y'all, welcome back to Random Recess. We're back in Vegas and we're staying here at the Park MGM.
Yeah, formerly the Monte Carlo, now the Park MGM since 2019. We're excited to stay here. We really like this hotel. It's a good location, and this is where Aerosmith is playing.
We're here for the weekend. We're here to see Aerosmith. We're going to show you around the resort, show you our room, the pool complex, and maybe gamble a little bit.
Yeah, just give you a little tour. It's a nice moderate-sized hotel resort. Really nice, no frills. We really enjoy it, so come along with us.
All right, y'all, you know what time it is. It's recess time. Made it to the pool complex here at Park MGM. It's really nice. It's not that crowded. We're here about 10:30 in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna go probably post up at the pool near the bar. But there's 3 pools here, so we're gonna check them all out. The pools here are really nice. Everything's clean. There's plenty of chairs everywhere. Here's the poolside menu. They got poolside bites. They serve breakfast, salads, seafood sandwiches, non-alcoholic drinks. Also, cocktail list. We got frozen, poolside, detox, beer. And cool thing, they also put the menu, they tag each of the chairs out here with their menu, the QR code. So that's really convenient. I think we're gonna do some Bloody Marys, and then I think I'm getting something from the frozen section because it's hot.
If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even a subscribe. We really appreciate the support. Cheers.
We are still here at the pool, and we are enjoying a Miami Vice.
That's right. We got a couple drinks. The pool service here is excellent, and they actually have 3 different pools here at the Park MGM, and they have an adults-only pool. We're not in that one right now, but the vibes are immaculate out here. Really relaxing, not too crazy. The music's not too loud. So if you're looking for a chill pool day, definitely come out to one of the 3 pools and just hang out. It's been a good time so far.
They've got cabanas and also these padded chairs that you can rent. We opted not to because they have so many free chairs with umbrellas. So if you're on a budget or just not looking to spend $80 for a chair, this is the pool for you. They've got so many options here.
Yeah, I'm really surprised at how many open chairs there are with umbrellas. Those are hard to find at pools in Vegas. So this is a good pool. I like it. It's not too fancy. It's not huge, but you know what? It does the trick. All right, that does it for us here at the pool. Come along with us while we show you the rest of the Park MGM.
Let's go. All right, y'all, we just finished up at the pool, got refreshed, and now let's continue on with the resort tour here at Park MGM. Can you tell that we're Vegas Golden Knights fans? I got the hat, Chris has the shirt. But yeah, this is a great location to stay at here or New York, New York if you're going to see the game. This T-Mobile Arena is just right there, right sandwiched between the 2. Park MGM does have a Starbucks on site, so for those of you who love Starbucks and need your Starbies fixed, it's right through the guest elevator section, and it's actually pretty big. They do accept mobile orders, but during peak times, you might have to wait. One morning, they did forget Chris's order. They were super sweet. They made it for him, but things got a little complicated. But again, there is a Starbucks here at Park MGM. Y'all just saw the room. What do you think?
Yeah, it is what it is, right? Like I said, it's no frills. It's clean. It's a little dated, I would say. Some of the furniture was dinged up. You can see the cords from the electronics and stuff. So, you know, it's kind of bare bones. It gets the job done. It's not a bad room. Definitely a spacious bathroom. Love the bathroom. The shower water pressure, pro tip, is amazing here at the park. So that's a plus. But yeah, I mean, it's a serviceable room. You're not going to get like the fancy furnishings that you would at a higher end resort like the Palazzo or the Wynn Encore, but it's definitely not bad. I'd say if you were to use like a Disney level grading system, it's probably like a moderate resort, right? It's not a deluxe,
Yeah.
It's not a value, it's kind of in the middle. It's nice, it's not over the top nice, gets the job done, and we enjoy it.
One of the restaurants here on property at Park MGM is Primrose, and you know I got to do it.
Primrose Everdy.
All right, looking for Uber? It's actually right across from the concierge and to the right of the bell desk. It's a separate location. You'll need to go outside. It's actually one of the more convenient and rider-friendly locations. A lot of the resorts have locations for their rideshare pickup, and it's like deep inside their garage. You have to walk like half a mile to get to it. Resorts like Wynn Encore make it real easy, and Park MGM as well. And that's a perk to think about, especially if you use rideshare a lot. It can be really annoying to find the location and get picked up or dropped off. So the fact that Park MGM has it literally right around the corner from their main lobby entrance is a huge perk. If you go left from the lobby, you can actually hit the tram to Bellagio and Aria, which is a courtesy tram here if you're staying on property or even if you're visiting. So you want to go left from the lobby and then go down this corridor, just follow the signs, and we'll take you along. We're actually heading to the Bellagio to eat at the buffet. We're going to showcase the Bellagio buffet in a separate video, but that is where we're heading now. And we'll show you the tram. This way you'll get familiar with it if you ever come out here. It is a very short walk, about 3 minutes, maybe even less, to the escalator. And this is actually an entrance to the Aria Resort. If you find yourself at Park MGM wanting to get to Aria, just go down the corridor leading towards the tram, and there's actually a hallway, a connecting hallway that leads you right into Aria. It's one of their entrances. You can also take the tram, but at that point it's kind of pointless because you're right there. Aria is great because it's got multiple entrances, so no matter if you're on the Bellagio side or the Park MGM side, you can get to Aria pretty quickly. So the pool complex here at Park MGM, there are 3 pools. The pool right here on the left is 18 and up. I believe it's the East pool. There are signs, so you'll be able to see. Let me zoom in a little bit. Plenty of chairs. As you can see, there are chairs everywhere. So there are free chairs. We mentioned this earlier in the video when we were at the pool. There are free chairs that you can rent for like $78. Cabanas are a little more expensive, but if you're here with a group, it might be good for you.
So towards the front of the hotel and casino near Italy, you'll find Best Friend. Best Friend is a restaurant by LA chef Roy Choi. He's kind of the pioneer of the gourmet food truck scene. And it's great Korean food, Korean fusion food, like with an LA twist. We ate here the other night, so check out our video review of that. We did enjoy it, and we have our thoughts, and we share our opinions in that video that we'll link above. But yeah, if you're here at Park MGM and you want some good Korean food, some good LA Korean fusion, check out Best Friend. How did they get my childhood picture? Why is it that every little Korean kid has the bowl cut? I had that same haircut, so. All right, on the Las Vegas Boulevard side of the Park MGM, the strip side entrance, you'll find Italy, which is an Italian eatery. We'll show you around. There's a lot of cool stuff in there, so let's go check it out. Right, Italy is kind of like an Italian food hall. There are tons of places to eat and drink inside here, all like sorts of different stalls you can come to. It's really cool and unique. If you want to stop in and check out a place to get really fresh Italian food, it smells amazing in here. There's everything from wine. There's a fishmonger in here, the pasta, pizza, sandwiches. They have like a chef's table where they do like cooking demonstrations and stuff. So whatever your little heart desires, you can find it here at Italy. It's a great spot, super casual to come get some really high quality Italian food.
All right, y'all, we're outside of Bavette's here at Park MGM. Chris and I have actually eaten here before. One of our favorite steakhouses on property. We'll come back, we'll do a full review. It's definitely a top 5 for sure.
Yeah, it's a great steakhouse in Vegas. It's like old Chicago style, dark, lots of wood. Kind of feels like old, like gangster Vegas, but it is a great steakhouse. Check it out. It is on the pricier side, so be warned. It's probably about $4 signs, but it's delicious. Great offering here at Park MGM.
Until we get back here to do a full review for you, check out our review of some of our other restaurants. We'll link it right at the end, including at Resorts World if you're looking for a steakhouse. We had Carver Steak, which is fabulous.
Yeah, but Bavette's, I would say, is just on par with that. It is excellent. A totally different vibe than Carver Steak. Much more old school. So if you're looking for like that old school Vegas vibe, Bavette's is it.
If you're looking for nightlife here at Park MGM, the offerings are pretty slim, but they do have On the Record, which is their club.
Yeah, On the Record is really neat. There is a speakeasy in there, so if you know where to look, you can find it. And yeah, it's not so secret if you've been here before, but it's pretty cool. It's a happening place, definitely really lively on the weekends. Check it out if you want a good time here at Park MGM at night.
All right, the Dolby Theater here at Park MGM is the house that Gaga built.
That's right.
And of course, it's fitting that she's got House of Gaga here, full of old like costumes and like set design pieces. Really neat.
Yeah, it's kind of a little neat walk-through museum. If you're a big fan of Lady Gaga, come check it out. But yeah, she's still playing here at Park MGM as part of her residency, so definitely highly recommend you check out her show if you can get tickets. It's definitely an in-demand show.
Across from Park MGM, you'll find New York, New York, and a lot of great restaurant options, a lot of quick service, including Beer House, which is a beer garden. Great options if you're looking for something a little different. Park MGM is a small resort, so they have pretty good offering, but it's always good to have extra options. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for our resort tour and our stay here at Park MGM.
That's right, we had a great time. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, hit that like button and maybe even subscribe. We really appreciate the support. But until next time,
We'll see you
on the next recess.